Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare a mayonnaise from scratch and you'll see how easy it is. It's even crazy easy. It's not a real word, I just made it up. But before we start, some recommendation first though. We use raw egg yolk to prepare mayonnaise, so you will want to prepare it just before you eat it. For the same reason, if some is remaining afterwards, don't keep it. Thus, don't make too much. The last thing is ingredients should not be cold, so take them out of the fridge approximately an hour before you make the mayonnaise. Now let's get to it. What you need to make a mayonnaise is
French word of the day.
The French word of the day is mayonnaise for mayonnaise. That should be easy to remember, right? 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, salt and pepper, half a cup of vegetable oil. Follow the easy steps and you will succeed. First, whisk egg yolk using the lowest speed of the electric whisk. Add mustard and whisk. Add vinegar and whisk again. Add salt and pepper and whisk till salt is dissolved. Now slowly add oil and whisk until emulsion is complete. Here we go! Look at this beautiful do-it-yourself homemade mayonnaise made from scratch. I hope you enjoy watching this video as I like making it, so please give the thumb up to show support. Of course, you can also comment below and let me know what you think about the recipe. Please subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified of any new video we would publish. It helps us a lot. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt!